Heard somebody talking about this one briefly the other day. The Montauk Project, the conspiracy theory that inspired Stranger Things. The Montauk Project is one of the most enduring and bizarre conspiracy theories in American folklore, blending alleged secret government experiments, mind control, time travel, and extraterrestrial contact into a sprawling narrative that has fascinated skeptics and believers alike. Its influence has seeped into popular culture, inspiring books, films, and TV shows like Netflix's Stranger Things. But what exactly is the Montauk Project, and how did it capture the public imagination? The legend of the Montauk Project traces back to Preston B. Nichols and Peter Moon, authors of the Montauk Project Experiments in Time from 1992. According to Nichols, a series of secret experiments were conducted at Camp Hero, a decommissioned Air Force base in Montauk, New York, during the 1970s and 1980s. The purported goal? To develop psychological warfare techniques and experiment with time travel. Nichols claimed to have recovered repressed memories of working as a scientist at Montauk, describing bizarre experiments involving psychic children, teleportation portals, and contact with alien beings. Central to the lore is the so-called Montauk chair, a device allegedly used to amplify psychic abilities and manifest objects from the mind into physical reality. Proponents of the Montauk Project conspiracy allege that children, many abducted from the streets, were used in mind control experiments. Time tunnels were opened, enabling travel to other dimensions or periods in history. Experiments created a monstrous beast, the Montauk Monster, which escaped and wreaked havoc. Technologies were developed that could erase or manipulate memories. Many of these claims intersect with other conspiracy theories, including those about the Philadelphia experiment, an alleged World War II Navy project that made a ship invisible. In fact, some narratives claim the Montauk Project was a continuation of those earlier experiments. No credible evidence has ever surfaced to support the claims about the Montauk Project, and critics dismiss it as a hoax, a work of science fiction, or an elaborate metaphor for Cold War anxieties. The military base at Camp Hero did exist and was operational during World War II, but it was primarily used for coastal defense and radar operations. Nevertheless, the eerie remnants of the base, including massive radar dishes and underground bunkers, have fueled rumors and urban exploration. The story has inspired fiction, ranging from the Montauk Chronicles documentary to Stranger Things, which originally had the working title Montauk. Like many conspiracy theories, the Montauk Project taps into deeper fears and fascinations: distrust of government secrecy, the potential for human experimentation, and the possibility of powers beyond our understanding. Its mix of sci-fi tropes and real-world locations makes it fertile ground for speculation. Whether viewed as a cautionary tale, a work of speculative fiction, or a genuine mystery, the Montauk Project continues to captivate audiences and blur the lines between myth and reality, reminding us that sometimes the strangest stories are the ones we want most to believe. What do you think about that? Stick around for more. It's KeysDAN, RadioWhat.com, DJLittleRock.com. Peace. I'm out of here.